Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Nordea customer service. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first what you need to do is head over to the official web page on Nordea. Then what you need to do is look at the really top right corner and you will see here the language, location and contact. So you can click here on contact. Uh, if you somehow don't see that, then scroll down all the way to the end here and you will see go directly to, and here you will find contact us. So it's the same button like this one at the top right corner. Now what you can do, you see here some options. So you have also personal, business and large corporate institutions. So let's say we want personal customers. We are personal customers. Then what we need to do is here some countries, and you will find here details how you can contact them. So let's say we are in Norway, so contact us and get help in Norwegian language. You will find right here, and then also in Sweden. You have also Finland and Denmark, and yeah. So this is the way how you get to the customer service. You just need to select here the country, and yeah, then you will find here some information about on those links. So yeah, this is the way how you can contact them. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.